All right, happy Friday to everyone. Here's a live shot right now of Seattle, and it's just a glorious day with the Mariners win. A lot of people in a good mood right now. This is what I truly call the happy hour, right, Erin?
It is the happy hour. We have so much to be thankful for here. We're still seeing the warmth of summer-like temperatures. Unfortunately, we're dealing with some of the smoke and haze in the upper atmosphere. We've had some fog that lifted earlier today to really pretty conditions, and we live in the Pacific Northwest. What's not to like about these pictures? Even though some of them are plagued by these hazy skies, we do get some really pretty sunsets, and as we get going through this forecast, we'll watch some of that haze and we'll look at some of the models and let you know when that haze is going to kind of let up some as far as what's going on with our fires burning. So today, unofficially, about 77 degrees. That would be a record, folks, because 75 was the warmest back in 2012, and normal, get this, is 64 degrees. So we are up some degrees here from this, and we're still looking at 0 in the bucket at SEATAC. And not a lot of rain forecast to this next forecast zone. In fact, for another week and a half or so, we may not have a shot at any rain. We do see an alert, though. Air quality alerts are up for 12 counties. Most of those counties are in the western Washington zone along the I-5 corridor from Snohomish County all the way down to south, all the way on the Washington-Oregon border. So we're watching that also in Chelan and Douglas counties in eastern Washington. Right now we're seeing good levels out along the coast near the waterways here, Hoquiam, Aberdeen, but once you head inland up and down the I-5 corridor, we're seeing those levels move into the moderate and unhealthy for sensitive groups. And then we've lifted some of the very unhealthy levels that have been here in Chelan and Douglas counties. That's the way we've been flirting back and forth. As we go through the next couple of days, this is what it looks like tonight into tomorrow. You can see that we get most of that degraded air quality over in Chelan and Douglas counties until we get to Sunday around 1 p.m. Snohomish, Skagit, and Whatcom counties move back up into those levels where you're seeing the moderate to unhealthy and unhealthy for sensitive groups. So that's something we're going to continue to watch out as those winds push most of that smoke and haze wafting over into our neck of the woods. 82 right now is what we're looking at for Shelton, 78 in Olympia, 79 for Chehalis. Notice the cooler temperatures at the coast and through the strait. We're seeing some of that cloud cover nudge up on in, and that breeze that we're getting from the northwest, that's cooling some of those temperatures down. Others are dealing with winds out of the north and out of the east. So areas of fog will develop into the overnight hours for some of us, not very thick like we saw 2 days ago. It'll lift a little bit quicker again like it did today. But 48 for Shelton, 53 for Seattle. Normal is 49 degrees, so 53 will feel fairly warm. You'll be a little cooler under clearer skies in Bellingham and Mount Vernon. And then as we get into the overnight hours, into the early morning hours before sunset, we could see some of that fog start to develop. All right, I want to talk about these afternoon highs really quickly here. 75 the next couple of days, dropping down on Monday and Tuesday. We get a weak disturbance. We had thought we might get a little bit of a chance for a light shower activity, just cooling our temperatures down and then ramping right back up into the low to mid 70s. 66 is the coolest high temperature that we're seeing on our 7-day planner here, and normal conditions 64 today, dropping down to 63, 62. So we'll still be above average with plenty of sunshine after some morning cloud cover, guys.